Have you checked out Discover View on the left-hand side of your OneDrive? You might find it really useful, as you can easily jump to items that you've recently worked with. It's your own personal view of what you've been up to, and you'll only see items that you have access to. Nobody else will be able to see your private documents and private activities, such as emails you've sent or received, or Skype for business conversations. Other people can only see what you viewed or modified if they have access to that item. If you don't like this feature, you can turn it off via your Delve settings. Click on Settings, Feature Settings, and turn it off under Documents. Catch up again with you soon. Bye! And that's why you need Quasar, improving efficiency and effectiveness with Microsoft Office. For more information, call us now on 08458 626265 or visit www.quasar.co.uk.